Hello, this is Mrs. Liu. Let us look at this chemistry question. An organic compound S has the following reactions. It neutralizes sodium hydroxide and it decolorizes bromine. Okay, what compound neutralizes sodium hydroxide? Do you know what compound neutralizes sodium hydroxide? Yes, you're correct. It should be an acid. So acid, you will need to look for your COOH functional group. Okay, and you want one that decolorized bromine. So what type of compounds will decolorize bromine? Yes, it's an alkene. So it's either a double bond or a triple bond. It will actually decolorize bromine. So you will need a acid functional group as well as a double bond for this compound. So this is your acid functional group and you have a double bond. Hence the answer is B. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, you are a miracle.